DJI Neo with the original props. This is the sound. It's the sound with the original props. You gotta unfollow. So that's what you can expect from that sound. Here are some 4-bleeded props that I picked up off of Amazon. So let's check out the sound of these, see if they got quieter.
Medium. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
So these are the sound. It's much quieter. Don't follow. I think the blue looks good, but they are much quieter, and I will link them down below. It lost me, but yeah, they look good. So this is the sound. Definitely quieter. Thanks for watching.